Welcome to a series of our online workshop, proudly brought to you by the Elderly Service Project team under NUS Computing Club. This video is made for Android users. Today's lesson will be about WhatsApp. We will learn about the WhatsApp status, font size settings, chat background, and stickers. I am not sure how many of you have used Facebook before, but status update is just like a Facebook post. It is where you can post words or photos or even a video which you want to share with everyone who adds you on WhatsApp. So instead of sending one message to just one person or one group at a time, status lets you share your message with everyone in your contact list. To find the status page, we shall tap on the word status at the top. To post a status, we shall tap on the white circle with a picture of a pencil. It will bring you to this page where you can type a message for everyone in your contact list to see. I will type good morning to my friends. If you feel like the background is too light for the words to be seen, you can tap on the picture of an easel. It may also look like a speech bubble with 4 dots. Tapping on this would change the color of the background. If you want to add an emoji or a picture to your message, you can tap on the smiley face to find them. Once you are done, you can tap on the green arrow and it will be posted onto WhatsApp for everyone to see. Here is my status. Personally, I like to update my status with good morning pictures to be shared with my friends and families. Let me show you how this can be done. To do this, we have to tap on the green camera button. It will bring you to the camera where you can either take a photo or a video or choose a photo or a video inside your phone. So if you want to choose a video, just scroll and select it. This is how you get a photo from your phone. If you are ready with this photo, you can post it. Next, let me show you how to take a photo. So you go back to the green camera button and it will bring you back to the camera page where you can take a photo. So now if I choose to take a photo, I just have to tap on the circle right here. Next, it will bring you to this page where you can edit your photos. First, we have the smiley face, which we have already gone through. If you want to add an emoji or a picture to your message, you can tap on the smiley face to find them. I have decided I want to put a heart, so I tap on the heart and it will appear on top of my photo. I want to move away the heart because it is blocking the center. So I press and hold the heart and I move it to the corner. But now I feel like my heart cannot be seen. It is too small. So now I'll use 2 fingers to press and hold the heart. Then I'll move my fingers apart and the heart will grow bigger. Looking at the heart now, I feel like it doesn't match the picture and I would like to remove it. So I press and hold the heart with 1 finger and drag it slowly to the top left corner of my phone. As you can see on the screen, a picture of a dustbin pops up. I'll continue dragging my heart to the dustbin to throw it away. Instead of a heart, I decided I want to type out a message on top of the picture. I tap on T to type my message. I like the message, but the color is weird. So I am going to pick another color from the rainbow at the side. Done. But now the problem is the message is blocking my screen. So just like the heart, to move it away, I have to press and hold the message and move. If I want the size of the message to change, I just have to tap on it with 2 fingers, hold it, and then move my fingers to make it bigger or smaller. If I decided that I don't want the message, I just have to tap on it and drag it slowly to the top left corner of the dustbin to throw it away, just like what we did with the heart. What if we want to draw? We can tap on the picture of a pencil. Then we choose a color from the rainbow and start drawing. I am going to draw a picture of a heart since I threw my heart away. Oh no, I drew it wrongly. Never mind, it is okay. We just have to tap on the arrow at the top pointing to the left, and the mistake is gone. Then we continue drawing. I am now done with the picture. To stop drawing, I will tap on the pencil again. Now, I feel like the color of the picture is a little dark. I want to put a filter to make the picture look nicer. So I am going to swipe the picture upwards. Just take your finger, put it on the picture, and drag upwards. Now, I can choose a different color for the picture. I decided to choose this color because it looks nice. To confirm, tap back to the original picture. I am now happy with this picture and I want to share it with everyone. So I tap on the green button at the bottom, and it is shared to everyone on your contact list. That is all for status update. To look at my status updates, I just have to click on the picture. These are all my status updates. Let us go back to our WhatsApp messages by tapping chats at the top. Next, we shall move on to WhatsApp settings. Do you ever feel like the words on WhatsApp are too small and your eyes hurt when you're trying to read them? Let me teach you how to make the words bigger. Let's go back to the main chat. WhatsApp settings can be found at the top right corner with 3 dots. We shall select Settings. Then we tap on Chats, Font Size, Large. Now the words will be bigger. Don't believe me? Let's go back to your WhatsApp messages. We tap on the arrow at the top twice to return to the message. 1, 2. Now we can see that the words are bigger than before. Now the background for the messages are a little boring. Let's change that. We leave to the main page of WhatsApp. Once again, we tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner, and then Settings, and then Chats. To change the wallpaper, we tap on Wallpaper. We can tap on the gallery to find pictures on our phone. Here, I decided that I want a picture of flowers as my background. So I am going to select it. And this is how it will look like on my messages. If you don't like the picture, you can click cancel. Or else, you can pinch to zoom out or zoom in, and you can drag to adjust the picture. There, I think it is perfect. So we click on the word set to confirm. Now let's go back to our chat. We tap the arrows twice again to return to the main page of WhatsApp. 1, 2. When we enter a chat, we can now see that the background is a picture of flowers. Next, I'll be sharing with you how to create your very own stickers on WhatsApp and how to use them. Firstly, we have to exit WhatsApp and download the application Stickerly from the Play Store. So let's go to the Play Store. Here's the Play Store. Next, we have to search for the application through the search bar at the very top. So we click on it Stickerly, Stickerly. We click on Stickerly, and this is the app that we're looking for. This blue square with a smiley face. So we tap on it and press install. This application will help you add and create stickers for WhatsApp. We will be sharing with you how to add the default stickers on Stickerly. Once it is downloaded, we shall open it. Here is the Stickerly application. These are all the stickers available for us to add. Aren't they cute? Now I decided that I want to add the People Frog stickers to my WhatsApp. So I am going to click the Add button. Add. And now they say People Frog has been added to WhatsApp. So let's go back to WhatsApp to check. To find the stickers on WhatsApp, we first have to click on the smiley face and then the square button at the bottom. And to find People Frog, we have to find them from the list of stickers that we have. So here is People Frog, and these are all the stickers available. To send them to your friends, simply tap on one of it. Now your friends will be receiving the stickers of People Frog. Let's go back to Stickerly. Today is my friend's birthday and I want to send a happy birthday sticker to my friend. However, I can't seem to find any happy birthday stickers in this list. So what I am going to do is to scroll up all the way to the top again, and on the search bar I am going to tap on it and search for happy birthday. Here are the list of stickers relating to happy birthday. I decided that I really like these stickers, so I am going to tap on it and add it to WhatsApp. Now they are asking me, would you like to add happy birthday to WhatsApp? I am going to add, and now it says that it has been added to WhatsApp. So let's go back to WhatsApp. Do you remember how to find the stickers? Over here we can find the happy birthday sticker. And now I just have to send this happy birthday to my friends. Next, I'll be sharing with you how to add stickers sent by your friend. So as you can see, my friend Anne has sent me a really cute sticker and I really want it. So to use it, I first have to add it. So I'm going to click on the sticker, add to favorites, and here it is. To use the sticker, just simply tap on it, and now I am able to send a sticker to Anne. Now, we will be sharing with you how to create your very own stickers and how to use them in WhatsApp. First, we have to go back to Stickerly. To create our own sticker, we have to click on the blue round button at the bottom. Now here are all my photos in my gallery. So I am going to make a lot of flower stickers. What I am going to do is to choose my first set of stickers. I decided that these look really good. First, I can either press auto and the application will cut out the stickers for me. But as you can see, sometimes it doesn't really work and the results come out really ugly. So what I'm going to do is to press back. And I am going to use my hand to cut the stickers manually. Here's a picture of a bouquet of flower. If I am happy with it, I can just click next. Save. New pack. Now they're asking me to enter a pack name. I think flowers would really suit this set of stickers. So I am going to write flowers. And the creator is me. Now I'll create it. I am ready to add this sticker to WhatsApp. However, if you can see at the bottom, it says that it requires a minimum of 3 stickers before we are allowed to add the stickers to WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do is to create more stickers. So I am going to press on Add Sticker to create more. There, now I have created 3 stickers and they finally allowed me to add on WhatsApp. So I am going to click on Add to WhatsApp, Add, and now it says that flowers has been added to WhatsApp. Now I am going to go back to WhatsApp, and as you can see, my stickers are ready. Look how pretty the flower looks. I hope you had fun creating and adding stickers today. You can share this with your friends. Thank you!